Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're going to explore how to maximize productivity and efficiency with Microsoft Copilot. The title of our presentation is Maximizing Productivity and Efficiency with Microsoft Copilot. We'll take an in-depth look at its features, how it integrates with your existing tools, security considerations, costs, and also explore some market alternatives. So, let's get started and see how this powerful tool can transform your workday. Let's take a closer look at how Microsoft Copilot can truly enhance your productivity and efficiency. One of the key benefits is that it helps you focus on the most important projects. In fact, over 70% of users report that Copilot frees them up to concentrate on higher priority tasks. It's all about making sure your time is spent where it matters most. Now, many users also save hours every week by cutting down on repetitive work, which is a huge advantage for staying productive and reducing burnout. And when it comes to completing tasks, especially coding or other complex activities, users have found they can finish up to 56% faster, allowing for quicker turnaround and more time to innovate. All of these benefits come at a monthly price of just €30. Considering the time savings and increased productivity, it's a smart investment that can really boost your work efficiency without breaking the bank. So, overall, Copilot is designed to empower you to work smarter, faster, and more effectively. Let's take a look at how Microsoft Copilot can truly boost our productivity. On average, users are saving between 2 to 6 hours every week, and in some cases, even more, up to 10 hours a month. That's significant time back in our day. For example, a company like Avanade managed to cut their meeting note-taking time by 40%, which translates to about 2 hours saved each week. Another key benefit is accuracy. With Copilot, task accuracy can improve by up to 68%, helping us reduce errors and the need for rework, saving time and increasing quality. It also allows us to focus more on creative and high-value activities because it takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing up mental space for innovation. And when it comes to completing tasks, Copilot can speed things up by as much as 56%, which can accelerate project timelines by up to 70%. So, overall, it's about working smarter, not harder, and making the most of our time. These improvements really align with our goal of increasing efficiency and driving better results across the board. Let's take a closer look at the key integration points with Microsoft 365 and how they help maximize productivity and efficiency with Microsoft Copilot. First, Copilot automates a lot of the routine tasks in data analysis. For example, it can clean data, create charts, and even support forecasting. This means you can get your insights faster and with greater accuracy, freeing up your time for more strategic work. Moving on to data automation in Excel, Copilot assists with editing spreadsheets, creating documents, and generating slides. So, whether you're preparing reports or presentations, it helps you produce polished work effortlessly. Now, in Word and PowerPoint, Copilot really boosts productivity. It can draft emails, summarize long email threads, and even improve the tone and clarity of your messages. This simplifies handling your communications and makes sure your messages come across professionally. In Outlook, Copilot enhances email management by summarizing chat histories, managing meeting notes, and highlighting key decisions. This streamlines your communication within teams and keeps collaboration running smoothly. And speaking of teams, the integration is seamless. Copilot helps manage meetings, track decisions, and keep everyone on the same page, making teamwork more efficient than ever. All these capabilities tie into our overall theme of leveraging AI to work smarter, not harder, and truly empowering you to be more productive across your entire Microsoft 365 suite. Now, let's talk about security and privacy considerations when using Microsoft Copilot. First, it's important to note that Microsoft Copilot complies with key privacy regulations like GDPR and ISO IEC 27018. This means that your data is handled responsibly and ethically, giving you confidence that privacy standards are being met. One of the ways we ensure data security is through logical isolation. This technique keeps your content separate from that of other organizations, which enhances security and prevents unauthorized access across different entities. It's like having a virtual wall that protects your information. We also use privacy labels and information rights management, or IRM, to respect data sensitivity and usage rights. These tools help enforce privacy protocols and ensure that data classifications are maintained according to user-defined settings. It's about making sure the right people see the right data, and only when appropriate. Data encryption is another critical layer of security. We encrypt data both when it's stored and during transmission. This means that whether your data is at rest or in transit, it's protected from potential breaches or eavesdropping. Finally, role-based access control, or RBAC, plays a key role in safeguarding sensitive information. By assigning access rights based on user roles, we make sure that only authorized individuals can view or modify certain data. This maintains confidentiality and strengthens overall security. Altogether, these measures work in concert to ensure that your data remains private, secure, and compliant with the necessary regulations, supporting our overall goal of maximizing productivity without compromising security. Let's take a closer look at the cost factors and hidden expenses associated with implementing Microsoft Copilot. First, it's important to recognize that additional licenses might be needed, especially if you're integrating third-party add-ons or tools. These costs should be carefully evaluated to understand the full investment involved. Next, implementing Copilot isn't just about the software itself. It also requires time and resources for training your staff and setting up the system. Change management efforts can also add to the hidden expenses, as getting your team up to speed and ensuring smooth adoption takes effort. Moving on, if you're planning to use Copilot Studio, keep in mind that there may be costs for message packs or pay-as-you-go plans. These expenses depend on how much you use and the options you choose, so it's worth estimating your needs upfront. Additionally, accessing premium features like custom agents or connectors might involve extra subscriptions, which can significantly increase your overall costs. And of course, a Microsoft 365 subscription license is a must-have for using Copilot. This adds to your monthly expenses beyond the basic €30 fee, so it's important to include that in your budgeting. All these factors highlight that while Copilot offers great productivity benefits, understanding the full scope of costs is essential for effective planning and maximizing your investment. Now, let's take a look at the alternatives and competitors to Microsoft Copilot. There are paid options like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, TabNine, and Windsurf, which offer enhanced features designed to support larger teams and handle more complex projects. These tools typically provide better support, deeper integrations, and more advanced capabilities, making them suitable when your team's needs grow. However, before making a commitment, I recommend testing these tools with a small group to see how they perform in real-world situations. This helps ensure they truly fit your workflow and meet your expectations. Choosing the right tool really depends on your team size, the complexity of your projects, and the specific features you need. If you're working with smaller teams or simpler projects, free options like Cody, CodeGX, Replit AI, Tabby, TabNine, or Amazon Code Whisperer can be attractive. They offer basic features at no cost. But keep in mind, these free tools might lack some of the advanced capabilities or speed that paid options provide. There are also open-source tools like Tabby, which prioritize privacy and customization, but they often require more setup and technical know-how. Ultimately, selecting the best AI assistant depends on your unique needs, considering team size, project complexity, workflow compatibility, and the features that matter most to you. And as always, testing different options will help you find the perfect fit for your team.